How to buy TST token on metamask. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simplest goes below. Funds your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinEx to be able to buy this token on metamask. What you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain. Open your metamask as you can see here. Now after that, what you need to do, select the BNB Smart Chain from here as you can see. Now click on these three lines, click on import token, and now click on custom token and paste the token address here as you can see. So this is, as you can see, it will see that this already has been added. So if you are the first time, I will just click on it, and now I will just click on hide TST. So if you are the first time, what you need to do, select the BNB Smart Chain from here, click on these three lines, click on import tokens. Now click on custom token and paste the token address here to add it to your wallet. Now click on next, click on import. So after you add this token to your wallet, now click on test your token. Now click on swap here and switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, BNB, and make sure that you have enough BNB on your wallet. So after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able in a while to see this is how much you receive that token. So after that, make sure to read all that information and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy TST token on metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.